What's up?
Oh my God!
Oh, so sweet. Do you mind if I hold out for a sec?
No.
Oh, hello.
Oh gosh! Oh gosh!
Wow.
I'm kind of scared.
Did you get it?
He's right. He's still right. Oh. That's so hilarious. Got one.
Okay, hang on for this one.
Oh, look at this little.
Love it.
Look at this little tiny one coming. Not him, but the. Oh, bless it. It looks. I wonder where they're going. Oh, it's handicapped.
Oh, yes, look, he's a leg.
Oh, bless it.
I'm going to take a picture of him, but he's an amputee. I can do some dabbing.
Bless it. Oh.
He's learning how to do it.
Oh, he's right in front of our car.
He cracked. Stop running with it.
That one in front of their car is huge. Look how big. That must be Big Poppa right there.
I love it when you call me Big Poppa. That has so many meanings now.
We'll have to
it when you call me Big Poppa. That's awesome. Look, that must be the little paper piece.
I can't believe they were on top of our car.
Did you get that? I couldn't do that.
I just got those arms. I didn't get his nose.
So sweet. They were playing.
So is this like the guard? Like why is he sitting?
Do you think I'm safe to get out?
No, well, yeah, you can probably get. They move fast, though. Yeah, they do.
I'm gonna go ahead and roll this up since it's coming.
All right. This is our baboon experience today. And we didn't really know that we would see them, but we've been at Cape Point, and this is really cool. So anyway, I gotta go play with the monkeys. Bye-bye.